Yes, dear students, today we are doing important questions of first chapter, and I hope you are enjoying, and I also request you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment. Okay, comment on this. So now see in this sum, here as you know the identity a power m upon a power n, it is equal to a power m minus n. When the base is same and power is different and we have to divide, then we have to subtract the power. So in this, see, the base is same, so how we can write x power a minus b, subtract the power. Here also we can write x power b minus c, b plus c, and here x power c minus a and c plus a. Now as you know the identity a power m power n, it is equal to a power mn, product of m and n. So here also we can write x power a minus b into a plus b. Here also using same identity x power b minus c to b plus c, and in this x power c minus a into c plus a. Okay, now see, this can be written as x power a minus b into a plus b. Use the identity a minus b into a plus b, it is equal to a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Here b minus c into b plus c, b square minus c square, c minus a into c plus a, c square minus a square. Now here it is multiplication sign, so if it is like this, a power m into a power n, what we have to use, we have to add the power. Base is same, we have to find the product, then we can use this identity. So here you can see base is same, so add all the powers, a square minus b square, addition sign, b square minus c square, again addition sign, c square minus a square. Now see, a square minus a square is 0, minus b square plus b square is 0, minus c square plus c square is 0. So what we get? X power 0. And if the power is 0, your answer is 1. So this complete our first question. Since second question, we have to find x. See now, it is given that 2 power x into 4 power x, 8 power 1 by 3 into 32 power 1 by 5. So what is 4? 4 is 2 square. So we can write 2 square. And what is 8? 8 is the cube of 2. Now do the prime factorization of 32. 2 16 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. So 32 is 2 power 5. So instead of 32, what we can write? 2 power 5. Now also as you know, a power m power n, it is equal to a power mn. Okay. So now here we can use this for identity. So this becomes 2 power 2x. Again here 3 into 1 by 3, 5 into 1 by 5. Okay, 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5. So we get, see here we have to use the formula 2 power m into 2 power n, it is equal to 2 power m plus n. So here we can use this formula, so add the power, we get 2 power x plus 2x, and this is equal to 2 power 1 into 2 power 1. So this is your x plus 2x 3x, and the base is same, so add the power, we get 2 power 3x, it is equal to 2 square. Now base is same, so compare the power, we get 3x, it is equal to 2, so x it is equal to 2 by 3. See here, the base is same, the left hand side equal to right hand side, so equate the power, therefore we have equated the power, 3x it is equal to 2 and x we are getting 2 by 3. So this complete our second question. In third sum, we have to find x. See in this, it is 2 by 3, 3 by 2. 2 by 3 power x, 3 by 2 power 2x. Again, do the factorization of 81. 3 27 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Do the factorization of 16. 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2. So this becomes 3 power 4 and this is your 2 power 4, or we can say 3 by 2 power 4. Okay. Now see, here it is 3 by 2, here also 3 by 2, it is 2 by 3. So do the reciprocal and we have to change the sign. So what we can write, 3 by 2 power minus x. Again this is your 3 power 2 power 2x, 3 by 2 power 4. Now here it is product. So whenever it is product, you have to add the powers. 2x plus minus x. Okay. Now this can be written as 3 by 2 power plus minus minus so this become 3 by 2, 2x minus x is x, 3 by 2 power 4. So compare this, the power must be equal, so we get x equal to 4. So this complete our third question. In fourth question, again we have to find x. It is given that a minus b equal to 0. A minus b, it is 0, so we can write minus b. It is equal to 0. Because a is this one and b is this one, and a minus b it is equal to 0. Now during division, when the base is same, you have to subtract the power. So it means x minus 1 minus, because base is same, so subtract the power. Here also base is same, subtract the power, and it is equal to 0. Now open the bracket, x minus 1 minus x minus minus plus 2 minus 2, again here minus x minus -1, it is equal to 0. Because here it is minus sign, so you have to change the sign. X minus x, it is 0, so it means 2 power minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, it means 2 minus 1, that is 1. Minus 2 minus x minus 2x minus 1, it is equal to 0. Or you can say 2 power 1, it is equal to 2 power minus 2x minus 1. It is negative sign, so we have taken this towards right side. Here again base is same, so compare the powers, the power must be equal, so minus 2x minus 1, it is equal to 1. So minus 2x it is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2x it is equal to 2, x equal to 2 by minus 2. So we get minus 1. Therefore x it is equal to minus 1. So this complete our fourth question. See, now we have to do the fifth question. We have to simplify this. अब होता क्या देखिए, ये बच्चे क्या इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन देख के घबरा जाते हैं. सो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. द सम इज वेरी इजी. आपके बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर क्लियर है, सो यू कैन डू इट इन अ वेरी इजी वे. तो देखिए हम क्या करेंगे इसमें. अगेन यू कैन सी यहाँ पे डिवीजन है, एक्स पावर बी अपॉन एक्स पावर सी. डिवीजन में बेस सेम होता है तो पावर को हम क्या कर देते हैं, सबट्रैक्ट. सो व्हाट वी गेट इन दिस, एक्स पावर बी माइनस सी. सबट्रैक्ट द पावर. Here again subtract the power because base is same. Here also you have to subtract the power. तो बड़ी इजी वे में हमने इसे कर दिया. अभी देखिए, नाउ यू हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला a पावर m पावर n इट इज इक्वल टू a पावर m n. तो यहाँ पे भी हम क्या करेंगे, पावर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो वी गेट x पावर b माइनस सी इंटू बी प्लस सी माइनस ए. here again multiply the power c minus a c plus a minus b, and here also find the product of power a minus b, a plus b minus c. ओके, जस्ट हमें क्या करना है, पावर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. नाउ सी, बेस सेम है तो ये पावर जो है सब ऐड हो जाएगी. बिकॉज बेस इज सेम, सब पावर को हमने कंबाइन कर दिया और बीच में एडिशन का साइन आ गया. नाउ वी हैव टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस सम. सी, व्हेन यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई b by all these three terms, then c by all these three terms. Again here c and these three terms, a and these three terms, a with these three terms and minus b with these three terms. So find the product. What we get, x power b into b, b square, b into c, bc, b into minus a, minus ab. Okay, minus c into b, minus bc, minus c into c, minus c square, minus c into minus a plus ac. Again find the product here, c into c, c square, c into a, ac, c into b, minus b, minus bc, minus a into c, a into c minus ac, minus a into a, minus a square, minus a minus b plus ab. So we have done, see, first multiply b by these three, so we are getting this one, minus c into this, we are getting this one. Then find the product of c and these three, we get this part, minus a into these three, we are getting this one. Now a into this, so we get a into this, a into a square, a into b, ab, a into minus c, minus ac, minus b into a, minus ab, minus b into b, minus b square, minus b into minus c plus bc. Now if you check, all the powers will cancel. You can see that b square minus b square, bc minus bc, minus ab plus ab, minus c square plus c square. Here it is ac, ac minus ac, AC माइनस AC माइनस BC प्लस BC माइनस A स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर AB minus AB. So what we get? X power 0. And as you know, whenever the power is 0, the answer is 1. So this complete our fifth question. हाँ तो बच्चों आपने देखा कि ये क्वेश्चन कितना बड़ा दिखने में कितना बड़ा था और आंसर इतना छोटा, जस्ट वन. सो इट्स वेरी इजी, एनीवन कैन डू इट. और मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगा मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें सो डैट मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स कैन गेट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस.